Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Walmart. I haven't been in here in a while, so I just wanted to pop in and see what fall items they have. So they have a lot of nice fall items right here. This sign up here, Hello Pumpkin sign, $4.84. This yard stake, $3.98. Autumn leaves and fall breeze, $4.24 for all of these. Fresh pumpkins picked daily with the black truck. Grateful, $1.58. This little welcome sign right here, is that backwards? I'm not sure. It says welcome, and it has fall. They have a lot of these for $3.97. Autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. Some of these pillows right here, the smaller ones are $8.98. The bigger ones are $9.98. Hello Pumpkin, $3.98. All about fall and pumpkin spice, y'all. This one right here says fall is proof that change is beautiful. $2.98 for those. But they have a lot of fall items, guys, as you can see. Look at these little critters down here. They're $2.98. They are so cute. Blessed. This little barn right here, $6.98. Welcome home, $3.94. The pillows. A lot of signs up here. Happy fall, y'all. Always. There's always something to be thankful for. True. $3.24. I love this little welcome sign right here for $3.98. This little windmill decor right here, $12.88. And they have this carvable pumpkin right here. There's no price on that. They have some of these feather pumpkins right here. They are going for $7.88. This welcome home sign right here in black, $7.98. These little guys here at the bottom. Standing scarecrows, $5.44. Those little scarecrow picks right there are 98 cents. Those are really cute. And I missed this little picture right here. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord, $12.88. Here is a mat that someone put here. It's a Halloween mat. Let's see, it's a kitchen mat. Not sure the price. How cute are these little gnomes right here? $4.54 for those. It looks like the fabric birds are gone. They ran out of those. Let's see. Fall blessings, $2.47. I love these little wood pumpkins right here in black and white. Harvest blessings, $7.98. Grateful. Hello fall. Welcome home. With the little fake plant, $9.44. These wood pumpkins right here. Our nest. Give thanks. It looks like a lot of things are out of place right here. These wood signs right here are $2.98. Thankful, grateful, and blessed, $3.94. I love that decor up there that says blessed for $19.97. Bless our home, $9.98. This is cute. It says fall with the flowers. Let's see, $4.98. Welcome, $7.98. And they have the beads here. They're $4.88. One says give thanks, and the other one says thankful. Really pretty. Thankful and blessed. Let's see. I think these are $8.98 if I'm not mistaken. No, $7.98 for the pumpkins. Give thanks. $8.98. And these tall pillars right here are $10.98. The stackable pigs are $9.98. Welcome to the porch, where wasting time is considered time well wasted. Very true. $8.48. I still fall for you every day for $4.98. So long summer, hello fall, $2.98. As for in my house, we will serve the Lord, $9.98. They have these small thankful pumpkins right here for $2.98. It looks like these pumpkins right here, there's only one left. They're sold out for $2.98. home, $9.98. These little welcome signs right here, $1.98. Always give thanks, $5.98 for that one. And Hello Fall, $3.94. And they have these little village homes right here. This one is $12.98. This one is $9.98. And as you can see, they have a lot of pumpkins down here at the bottom. Okay, these lanterns right here, these wood lanterns, you can actually paint these and put a candle on the inside. $19.98. Some more of the fabric pumpkins here. These are sweater pumpkins for $6.84. And here's one right here in pink with the lace. Let's see, $7.98 for that. Some of these galvanized pumpkins right here. It's an actual candle holder. Let's see, trying to get the price for you guys. If I can see that, give me one moment. These are $11.98. Here's some decors right here. It says thankful. $4.98 for those. And I'm going to turn around here. And there is a lot of decor, flower decors. But this right here is really cute. It has a little box, Hello Pumpkin. A lot of these things are scattered, so I probably won't be giving you the prices of everything. Potted floral farmers market. This is $9.24. These are $2.98. A lot of picks. That harvest wreath right there is $19.97. That one is really pretty. $19.97 for that pretty wreath right there. And as you can see, they have a lot of stuff up at the top up here. All of these wreaths right here are $19.97, which are very pretty. They have these pumpkins here. These are $2.98. Pumpkins, 98 cents. They come assorted. Happy Harvest, really pretty. $2.98. I'm gonna put this back here. This little sign right there says, "Hey there, pumpkin." I love autumn. I love this one right here. Let's see if they have any more. Here's one right here, pumpkin spice and everything nice. All of these are $2.54. What are these right here? Some little some little wooden pumpkins here for $3.98. Squirrel hanging signs, $3.74. Hello Fall. This little welcome sign right here, $2.98. That pretty wreath up there with the leaves and the pine cones, $19.97. Here is some bows. These are $3.98. I love these little houses right here. This one right here is $5.98. All of these are $5.98. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. And they come in different colors, as you can see. How cute are they? These little scarecrows right here are $6.54. The boy, and I think they have a girl. The girl one is $6.94. The boy one is $6.94 as well. This plate right here, $5.98. Friends and family, welcome. Farm, Sweet Farm. All of these are $4.44. Sweet as pumpkin pie. Hello Fall. I think this should go here. As you can see, there's a lot of wall decor hanging here. Different prices. These are $3.44. This pumpkin back here is really heavy. All things are possible to him who believes. Nice. There's those pumpkins right there for $9.98 for that one. This one right here is $9.98 as well. Some of the little scarecrows, the boy and the girl. Welcome friends. And they have a lot of scarecrows here at the bottom. They also have some blue pumpkins here. Blue and brown. And those are $5.44. Some of the little pigs here. They are so cute. A lot of pumpkins. I see some straw bale down there. These are the woodland critters right here. These little guys right here. More pumpkins, 98 cents. On this end cap right here, they have a lot of scarecrows here. They have the straw bale. All of those are the scarecrows are $6.84. A lot of pumpkins, guys. They have the sweater pumpkins, the checkered, this one right here. Those, I've showed you these already. These already I've shown. They have these decors right here, the galvanized pumpkin. Let's see, the price of these are going for $12.88. Here's some more of those lanterns up here. You can paint those. I showed you the bigger ones, but these are the smaller ones for let's see, I think they're $16.98, yes. And they have an assortment of the beige and the green beads. They have these, and you can actually take these off and add other things if you like. If you want to make your own little coffee bar, you can put these on there or on your coffee table. A lot of faux plants down here. I'm going to turn around. A lot of different picks. I'll show you the ones at the top up there. They have these ones right here. These are really cute. And look at her little pony, her little pigtails here at the top. Very nice. Pumpkins, they have different color ones for 98 cents. Now those. A lot of nice potted floral. These are faux plants. Straw bale. Welcome. This one right here says Sweet Home. And as you can see, they have a lot of different color pumpkins here. Different ones. They have some pillows here as well. Let's see. Hey there, pumpkin. These are $5.94. This one. Haunted Tours. They've had these out for a while before, you know, they started putting this stuff out. Leaves are calling. No, leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. Little cat. All right, so back here in the store, they're starting to stock up on some more items for fall. Thankful and blessed. These are $10.48. These baskets right here, the checkered white and black, these are $6.96. $6.98. More pillows. Friends Gather here, $5.98. Simply Blessed, $6.98. Farmers Market, $4.98 for those. They come in different colors. Thankful. And then they have some pumpkins and little decor up here at the top. On this side over here, here's some Halloween earrings. They have the pumpkins. These are really cute. Look at these right here. The little faux leather ones right here. They have the ones that light up. These ones right here. And how cute are these right here, guys? Look at these right here. She has on her little black dress. They have the ones with the leaves. I really like those. The pumpkins. They have the haunted house. Look at these. These are really cute. I like these. And look at these right here with the cat and the iridescent colors in the background. And then they have a assortment of 6, so you can get 6 total. They have the choker and the earrings down here for $4. All of these items are $4. They have these right here. But they have some really nice items. Down this road, they're still adding stuff. I've showed you those. Blessed. These are $4.98. Grateful, Thankful, Blessed. $5.98. $6.98 for the one up there that says Blessed. Just a few Halloween decor, wall decor. Some of these little snow globes right here. These are $4.97. The Nightmare Before Christmas. A lot of the Disney characters there. These little mini shock pumpkins right here, $2.98. Wow, look at these. And they actually glow, they light up. This one, Rest in Peace, Snow Globe. Here's a Halloween sign right here, says $4.84. This is a bookmark right here for $4.98. I'm too old for this sheet. How cute. And let's see, there's another one back here. If you think I'm a witch, you should meet me. You should meet my sister. Wow. These are $2.84. Very nice. And they're putting candy out, things of that nature. Here's some of the sugar cookies up here, the skull sugar cookies. $1.48. A lot of the Reese's cups, things of that nature. All right, so my reason for coming in the store is to get some, I wanted to pick up some laundry detergent, but I got sidetracked and decided to look other places. So I'm going to take you guys throughout the store with me and see if we can find any more fall items. So they have these cabin socks right here. They're $9.97. They come in different colors. These are real nice for gifts. And you get a set of 2 for $9.97. That's not bad at all. Different colors. They have some nice little slippers here. These are really nice. I like the little detail on the side. Here's some deer foams right here. Get infused foam, cozy comfort. $13.98. These are really cute right here. I picked up a pair of these the other day. They also have them in the gray and black as well. These Time and True right here. These are nice. They have the little fur on the inside. I see black and burgundy. They have these deer foams right here for $11.98. You also have these ones right here. All of these are by Deer Foam. These are some nice little shoes right here. Very comfortable. $13.98. And a lot of different slides. Look at these right here. I like these. They come in blue and pink for $9.98. These are nice. All right, guys. So I just wanted to show you this pasta maker right here. It is $150. It says Pasta and Beyond 2-in-1 pasta maker and slow juicer. So it's a juicer and pasta maker 2-in-1. That's not bad at all for $150. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to pop into Walmart. I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but I saw the fall stuff, so I just say, why not pull out the camera? But they're still adding Halloween items as we speak. So I just came in to get some detergent. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. And I will see you guys on the next video. What are these right here? These are just some items to put inside of a trick-or-treat bag or whatever you want to use these for. Let's see. They have skeletons, reflective bracelets, fur rings, play foams, little different knickknacks that you can put inside your kids' Halloween basket. I see some pencils, some notepads, some little bouncing putty, straws. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video.